Hello everyone, how are you? We know it's very difficult to choose the best product for a home according to our budget. Don't worry, to make your purchase decision easier and save you time, in today's video we picked only the finest items for you. We make this list based on features, price and actual user reviews. So if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's go for top 5.
Our first pick is DecoPro MMA Welder. With a surprisingly low ticket price and a weight of only 12 pounds, the DecoPro 110/120ths of a volt MMA welder may appear to offer little to the serious welder at first glance. The output range of 10 to 160 amps, on the other hand, can handle up to 14-inch mild steel. It is also possible to work on aluminum and cast iron with the right welding rod. The unit operates on 110 or 220 volt power and, like all stick welders, can be used indoors or outdoors. A built-in fan cools the welder and keeps dirt and debris at bay, which is useful when transporting the unit or welding outside. There is no gas to set with its simple function, just a single dial to adjust current. It's not the best welder for delicate or precise work, but it's hard to beat for portability in basic home, agricultural, or job site use. Reduce the damage of copper and iron, obviously increase the welding frequency, and energy-conserving result is remarkable. Closed-loop feedback control, the output voltage is stable, strong adaptability for electricity network. The MMA welder is suitable for welding stainless steel, mild steel, aluminum and other metal materials. Number 2 in this best welder for home use list is Forni Easy Weld 261. The Forni 140 welder is an impressive flux core capable welder. Perfect for first-time welders up to avid users. Applications include do-it-yourself projects, general metal fabrication, maintenance and repair, farm and ranch and automotive work. Easy to use 140 FC. A MIG machine uses 0.30 flux core wire. It has infinite voltage and wire feed speed control so you can dial in the perfect weld. Perfect entry-level welder. Lightweight 19 pounds, easily carried to any do-it-yourself, maintenance, repair, metal fabrication and hobbyist project. All metal case, built to take the day-to-day. Big enough to handle 2 and 10-pound rolls of wire. It can weld mild steel up to 14 inches thick, making it a match for many larger and more expensive models. Weld depth is easily controlled, thanks to simple voltage and wire speed dials. This welder is physically small, weighing only 19 pounds. The welder can only run flux core and not gas MIG, but this limits general repair and fabrication tasks. It can also work indoors or outdoors if you have access to a standard household outlet. For details, let's watch more.
We have our Forni Easy Weld 140 FCI. FCI stands for Flux Core Converter. Let's open it up and show you what's inside. This basic flux core converter welding machine does not require gas. Some people may call it a MIG machine, but it is more correctly called a wire feed welder because gas cannot be added to this machine. Instead, you must use a flux cord wire for your filler metal. It comes with a quick start guide, owner's manual, Forni Industries contact information, a 15 to 20 amp plug adapter, a ground clamp, torch, and an extra contact tip. The 140 FCI uses up to 030 flux cord wire. With flux cord wire, the flux is built into the wire and provides the shielding needed over the molten weld pedal. This machine can easily accept and drive a 10-pound spool of wire. The left knob is to adjust your voltage, and the right knob is for your wire feed speed. Remember to wear the proper personal protective gear, non-flammable clothing like cotton or denim, safety glasses, a welding helmet, welding gloves, and an FR jacket. The 140 FCI is a great machine for do-it-yourselfers, maintenance and repair, metal fabrication, and hobbyists, and it comes with a...
Our third choice is PrimeWeld TIG 225X welder. The PrimeWeld TIG 225X is a versatile, full-featured AC or DC TIG welder with a surprising number of features for its price. The ability to modify bead width and depth characteristics is provided by pulse width modulation and AC phase adjustment. The AC waveform function cleans the weld puddle by removing impurities, thereby eliminating the need for bead cleaning. This unit offers 225 amps of AC or DC TIG welding with a stick function, making it suitable for both professional and hobby welders. This machine's reliability is enhanced by power width modulation and the use of IGBT technology. High performance on 110V and 220V. With a full range of pulse features and AC cleaning control, these options provide the most versatility in a welder in this price range that is currently available on the market. For added convenience, a high-quality metal foot pedal control is included. Fourth pick in this best welder for home use list is Lotos LTPDC 2000D welder. The Lotos LTPDC 2000D is a first-to-market multi-purpose welder that allows the user to DC TIG/stick weld and plasma cut all from one portable machine. This LTPDC 2000D combines three functions into one with a 200 DC TIG welder, a 200 stick welder, and a 50 pilot arc plasma cutter with the flip of a switch. It is able to cut various types of metal up to ½ inch with the 50 pilot arc plasma cutting function. With quality TIG welding on stainless or steel and precise welding of thinner gauge materials, HF arc start hand torch control and precise foot pedal welding heat control. In addition to TIG and stick welding of materials up to 14 inches thick, the welder can cut mild steel up to 34 inches thick. The welding function is highly adaptable, with current ranging from 15 to 200 amps. Although it can be switched from 110 to 220 volts, this welder requires 50 amps of power, so it won't work with a standard household outlet unless you upgrade. Our fifth and last choice is Forney Easy Weld 140 MP. The Forney Easy Weld 140 MP is a low-cost home welding machine that includes MIG, DC TIG, DC stick, and flux core processes all in one box. It can be used anywhere because it runs on 120-volt household power. The Forney Easy Weld 140 MP can handle 2 and 10-pound rolls of wire and has infinite voltage and wire feed speed controls to help you get the perfect weld. This machine is configured for flux core welding, but it can easily be converted to run mild steel with a gas setup. You can weld up to 14-inch mild steel in a single pass at 140 amps. Hose and regulator are sold separately. This machine's 3-in-1 design allows it to perform DC TIG welding. You will need to purchase the appropriate torch, regulator, hose, tungsten electrodes, and gas separately to use this process. Stick electrodes can be easily run on the Forney Easy Weld 140 MP. For this procedure, your machine comes equipped with a stinger and a ground clamp. This machine can weld with electrodes up to 1/8 inches long. Depending on the type of MIG wire used, this unit can use gas or no gas. With Forney's 140 MP welder, you can make something new or repair something old.
Hi, I'm Caitlin with Forney Industries. Here we have our Forney Easy Weld 140 MP. It's capable of MIG, TIG, and stick welding. Let's open it up and see what's inside. This is a single-phase inverter multi-process welder. The input is 120 volts and the max output is 140 amps. This machine comes with a quick start guide, manual, and Forney contact info in case you have questions. It also comes with a 15 to 20 amp plug adapter, MIG gun, an extra 030 contact tip, stick electrode holder, ground cable, and clamp. The selector switch allows you to choose MIG, stick, or TIG welding. The left knob is for voltage and amps depending on what mode you're in. This machine is designed to hold 10 pounds of gas or gasless wire. The right knob is for the wire feed speed while in MIG or wire feed mode. If you want to use shielding gas for true MIG welding, you will also need to purchase a regulator and a gas line. We recommend item numbers 85363 and 85663 as they are not included with this machine. If you want to TIG weld, this is a lift arc TIG machine and the TIG torch is sold separately. For stick welding, you can use up to 1/8 inch electrode. That sums up the Forney Easy Weld 140 MP. This is the perfect machine to learn the basics of welding and get experience with different processes. It's ideal for do-it-yourselfers, maintenance and repair, hobbyists, and metal artists. Remember to wear the proper personal protective gear, non-flammable clothing like denim or cotton, safety glasses, a welding helmet, welding gloves, and FR jacket.